thanks for joining. Today on Back Office Nerd, I'm going to review the end of month to-dos for every small business owner. So I have my Trello board here that I'm sharing with you, and I have it broken down by daily, weekly, bi-weekly, monthly, and annually. But today I wanted to just review the end of month tasks for every small business owner. So I'm just going to open this up so you can kind of follow along with me. The very first thing you should be doing is counting your inventory on hand, your physical inventory on hand, not just running a report in your point of sale system. Look, I know we all hate counting the physical inventory. It's super boring. But if you really want to know what your true cost of goods sold is, the only way you can know that is by doing a physical count, because maybe you got a delivery and that delivery was put on the shelves, but it wasn't put in your point of sale system. And in that case, your numbers are going to be way off. And the only way to find that is by actually doing a physical count. So do your physical count every month. The other thing is just reviewing your schedules and making any changes. This is especially important if you have team members. So you want to make sure you review those schedules and make any changes. If there's any upcoming holidays, things like that, you might want to put up a social media post to let your, not only your staff, but also your clients that you might be closed or closing early for a special event, things like that. You want to plan your social media and your promos. I use a Trello board for mine. I have one for the whole year with each month, with things like obviously February's Valentine's Day, spring, things like that. And I plan out the year based on whether I know what events are coming up. And then each month I kind of drill down into what else is coming up that month and what our theme is. So it's a great opportunity to get together with your team and share photos, share anything that you might be able to use on social media. File and pay your sales tax. Now, every state is different, and depending on what type of business you are, you may file monthly, quarterly, or annually. So find out whether you file monthly or quarterly or annually, and pay your sales tax. It's super important. The fees and fines for being late rack up. I know all of the states that I've worked with have very big fees. It's a percentage of your sales for every day that you're late. So make sure to do that. It's super easy. If you're using a good point of sale system, you can just run your sales summary for the month, and then you can log into your state's tax department and file and pay online. Okay, so what's next? So next, you're going to want to reconcile your bank and your credit card accounts in your bookkeeping system. Oh dear, I really hope that you're using a bookkeeping system. I'm a huge fan of QuickBooks Online. I'm a QuickBooks Pro, so I've been using it for years, and every year I swear they make something that's new and makes life easier for all of my clients. So check out QuickBooks Online. Excel, if that works for you, it's fine, but I'm gonna go ahead and say that a bookkeeping system is definitely going to be a lot easier. In QuickBooks Online, you can connect your bank account, so everything downloads. You pick your categories. It's nice, and you can attach receipts. You can upload your bank statements, things like that. So if you're using Excel, you can still reconcile. You can make sure that whatever your checking account balance is on your Excel sheet matches the statement balance from your checking account. And super important to do that on a monthly basis. Also, updating your displays. You want to freshen things up so that this is a really great tip. So schedule your meetings with your reps. In the salons, our hair reps will stop by with products, and it's great. We love to see everybody, but we're always in the middle of something, right? So do yourself a favor and your rep a favor, because they'll love it. Just schedule a monthly recurring meeting, and then you can plan your schedule around it, and you won't be interrupted, especially if you're in the middle of doing end of month inventory. Review your goals and budgets. Super important. You want to review all of your goals, whether you hit them, whether you surpass them, last but not least, check in with each team member. The more you check in with your staff, the less likely that there will be, gossip and things happening that if you had just checked in, then they would have got an answer straight from you, and it will definitely make things a lot smoother as you go. So anyways, I hope that you found this helpful. If you did, let me know in the comments below, and subscribe for some more skills to pay the bills.